Alrighty, y'all ready for the Rabokki recipe? So for those of you who don't know, Rabokki is half Korean Ramyun noodles and then half of that spicy Tteokboki rice cake, and they've basically mixed it all together to create the perfect combination. So I can't wait to show you guys the recipe. So, this is not supposed to be a difficult recipe. We're going to put everything into the bowl except for the last 4 ingredients. That's the Korean ramen noodles, these 5-spice tofu, and then the 2 garnishes at the end. And you want to bring all of these flavoring mixes up to a boil and then put it down to medium to simmer so that you can cook the carrots, the onions, and then the Korean rice cakes until they soften a bit. And that should take right around 5 minutes. Now, it should be worth noting that the recipe on Thursday was actually one for the Korean rice cakes. So if you don't have access to that and you want to learn how to make that, I'll put that link down below. But depending on if you're using the rice cakes fresh or if you use them frozen can mean, more or less time during this cooking process. Now, once the rice cakes have softened to your liking, I'm going to add in the Ramyun noodles, the 5-spice tofu, and then a little bit more of the carrots and some scallions for the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking so that, some of the vegetables still have some fresh texture to them. And once the noodles are all set, this guy is good to go. It's a little sweet, it's a little spicy, and then you got all different textures in there, from the ramyun to the chewier types of rice cakes, and then the tofu and all the different kinds of vegetables that you can add in. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again soon. Bye!